Today's Friday flyby is a 2022 Cessna 182T Skylane. It only has 151 total hours since new. It features a Garmin G1000NXI avionics system with synthetic vision. It also has a GFC 700 digital autopilot and flight stream system. Known for reliability and power output, it has a Lycoming IO 540 air-cooled engine. It features dual Garmin GIA 64W integrated avionics units and an Artex ME 406 ELT, so you can always fly with confidence. The pilot and co-pilot sit comfortably in a beautiful tan leather interior with vertically adjustable seats. And the LED landing and taxi lights help make night flying a breeze. This aircraft has always been hangared and meticulously maintained. To inquire about today's Friday flyby, contact Grant Sutherland at 859-533-9399 or visit airmart.com for more information.